Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 5, unit number 1, the life cycle of plant. Today we will discuss about page number 11, fertilization. Fertilization is a very important process which exists also in plants and animals, but here we are discussing about fertilization. Fertilization is only in plants. Before going to fertilization, we have know about pollen grains. We have knowledge about egg or a ovule or ovary. We know the different parts of the flower, particularly female organ. Here you are seeing a female organ. The first part is called stigma, and the other one tube-like structure is called style, and the whole swollen part is called ovary. So this process through which when male reproductive part cell and the female reproductive part cell or organ fuse to each other, combine to each other, that phenomena is called fertilization. How fertilization will occur? We are seeing pollen grains release tube down, pollen tube carrying a two dots. You are seeing a two dots, and a swollen part carrying a egg central part. That blue type structure is called cell or a egg. In the second picture you are seeing pollen tube move and then reach in the swollen part. When these male reproductive part, a male reproductive cell and female reproductive cell which are already existed in the ovule combine to each other, then that phenomena is called fertilization. After fertilization we gain a cell. And then this cell continue by a process of cell division and make a bigger one. Once pollen grains lands on the stigma of another flower of the same species, it sends out a tube into the stigma down the style of the ovule found in the ovary. The tip of the pollen tube breaks open where the male reproductive part will fuse with the female reproductive part. This where is fertilization occur. तो यहाँ पर fertilization का phenomena जो है वो complete होगा. Once fertilization has taken place, the ovule develop into a seed and the ovary into a fruit. यानी fertilization mean कि आपको एक cell मिलेगा, complete cell मिलेगा. वो complete cell जो है वो किस में convert होना शुरू हो जाएगा with the help of division into a seed containing a fertilized egg, and then by the process of cell division, ovary swollen and converted into fruit. Just like you are seeing that egg cell will develop into plant embryo, ovule will develop into seed, and ovary which is develop into fruit. तो जो fruit हम खाते हैं basically वो क्या है? That is the ovary in which food is stored, and ovule is a seed in which plant embryo or a egg cell is present. So here you are seeing a flower petals start to wither. After that ovary start to swell, and after that fruit grows bigger, or within the growth seed develop inside the fruit. So this is a phenomena of fertilization. Through fertilization seed is formed and after that fruit is formed. It is a very important because this process make a seed or a fruit.